Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your expert. Today I'm pretty excited to bring you something real big, as you can see over here on the screen, and I'm really sorry for the flaky shaking of my hands, but I am actually recording this with just my hands. So today I bring you the EcoXgear SoundExtreme soundbar. So this one, as you guys can see, is a sound bar. It has 500 watts peak power, and it is also has patio lights on it. So we're gonna see, take a quick look at the box over here, because they did actually an amazing job with the box. And also we're gonna see what is inside this big bad boy. So first and first, I must say it's quite heavy. Let's start there. And they recommend this for your RTVs, for your workshop, your watercrafts, golf carts, and more. Right? So pretty much for everything that you can actually get your set it up to, and it will work right there and there. So over here, let's gonna go ahead and take a quick look at the specs of this big box. Right? So first thing first. I see the key features over here. It's 25.5 inches long. It has 8 marine grade speakers, 2 tweeters, 4 mid-range tweeters, and 2 woofers. So the max power of this will be 500 watts. It has a multicolor LED lights, backlights on all in each speaker, right? And it has a bright LED light besides the lights on the speakers. It has a Bluetooth 5.0, which is basically the most updated Bluetooth. You get a couple of options for the connections. So you get a waterproof 12 volts auxiliary power out connection port. And it is waterproof aux in, waterproof 12 volts auxiliary power out, mounting brackets, and integrated threaded mounting holes for multiple mounting configuration options. So this basically will be versatile enough to put it wherever you want, as long as you can actually just drill a hole in it and put a screw. So that will work. The EcoCast allows for wireless connection if you want to get 2 or more EcoXgear speakers and soundbars. So if you check the EcoXgear website, they do a bunch of different models. So if you get any of the EcoConnect options, the EcoCast options, you will be able to pair 2 or more out of this, right, via Bluetooth, so which is pretty handy if you're having like a big party or something like that. Integrated waterproof keypad on the unit. It has a 5 volt USB charge out. So on top of everything, if you need to charge something, you can also do it, right? Over here, we're gonna take a look at how the unit looks exactly. So you guys can see over here, it has a mounting rail on top of it. So you can actually just go ahead and set it up with the different configurations out of it. Integrated button pad, so you have all the options for the buttons here. The connector for 12 volts, right, over here has a big sound. So you get 4 out of these and 2 on the sides, right? And on the back of the unit, you get the big LED light. So again, it's very recommended for your golf cart and your RTV vehicles, right? So it will be pretty handy to have the LED light that goes red and white, right? Over here, we also have a couple of their features. It's 500 watts, EcoXgear lights, IP66. That I'll put a description, a link on the description about exactly what this means. The IP grading, 66. Each number represents the grading against water and also water, dust, and other particles. So you will be able to actually just put it in your watercraft. The unit will be just as fine. If you get rain on, drop on water, submerge on water, so it will be fine. Over here, we're gonna go ahead and see what is inside the box. This is basically the point of the video. I'm just gonna show you what is in the box, and then we're gonna take a look of everything inside the box. So you get a 6-feet power cable for connecting to the 12 volts battery, auxiliary power cord mating connector, that looks like mounts for the unit itself. So it has 2 mounting brackets, mounting hardware included, 4 adjustable bar clamps. Okay, and additional mounting and power. Everything is located at EcoXgear.com. You also get a remote, which is pretty handy. So besides that, you can actually see all the details of the box over here. They actually made a pretty good job with this. Now, give me a second while I actually unbox all of this and show you guys exactly what is inside the box. And I'll be right back. All right, guys, thank you so much. It took me a minute to actually unbox this whole thing. So first thing first, we have the soundbar over here. As you can see, the dimensions are on the website, on the user manual, or you can just contact the customer service for EcoXgear. They will help you with the dimensions of this big unit. You can see the connector over here for the 12 volts if you're gonna use it directly to any connection over there, right? Besides the unit itself, on the box you will find, first of all, the user manual, very important, warranty card. We need you to, if you're gonna go ahead and register your product so you can actually use it under the warranty, right? Everything. You can also register directly on their website, so you don't have to actually physically send the card anymore. You can just do it on their website. You get a EcoXgear sticker over here. Cables, right? Very important cables. You get the remote over here. The remote comes with a rubber casing, you know, to protect it from the water or any other dust particles. You get screws and the mounting equipment basically over here, right? Everything you need to actually put this thing and mount it somewhere, whatever you want, right? So this is basically what you get. You get the sound bar, you get the big speakers over here in front of it, the keypad, you get the woofers on the sides out of here, and on the back, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it up. Give me one sec. Okay, so this is the front side. As you can see, you guys can actually have just like put it here. You get the aux out and the aux in, waterproof. At the bottom of the unit, in the front, you will have the speakers and the mounting rack over here on top of the unit, right? So this is pretty solid. I want to say that you can just go ahead and screw this in and you will be good. Just in case, we also have other tools over here. The keypad is over here. I don't have any power because I don't have it plugged in, but I will connect this in just 1 second. And on the back of the unit, you get a big LED light over here. So that'll be great for your ATVs and RTVs, right? So that this is gonna be great. If you guys give me 1 second, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how exactly this big unit looks when you power on, when you get power to it, and the lights and everything. So just give me 1 second. Alrighty guys, so I hooked this up using the AC power to 110 volts. Just any, like your regular connection in your power outlet, right? That it's sold separately. Again, I'll put the information in the description. So I connected this to my phone and I will show you guys how the lights look on, right? So you get a button, dedicated button just for the lights, right? So we get green, we get red, we get, I think, intermittent flashing lights. That really depends when you connect the music to the speaker. Otherwise, it will just not work. And also we have this mode where they're just like changing colors, right? And they go in the sides and in the front of the speaker itself. Let me just go ahead and turn them on real quick. Turn them off. And let me show you the LED light, which is basically the button here. So we get red lights, we get white lights, and we get slightly brighter white light. So you get different intensities out of the white light, just in case for you to know. And that is basically the SoundExtreme. Great unit. I'll show you the information in the description, where to get it, where to buy it. Again, if they have them available, go ahead and let them know that you saw this video so we can help them out on this. Again, any questions that you have, please let me know in the comments, and I'll put the information of EcoXgear contact customer service just in case if you have any other questions. Hope you have a great day, guys.